Adding integers with Hansel and Gretel. Hansel and Gretel found themselves alone in a deep, dark forest. They were walking a long while and were tired and hungry.
I'm tired and hungry.
Me too. Let me climb on this stump to figure out where we are.
What do you see, Hansel?
Hansel began to shake with fear.
I see the witch's house. Let's get out of here. Come on. Hurry.
Oh no! The witch! Hey, I'm not a witch. I'm a math teacher.
They both shook with fear. They really didn't like math.
Isn't that your house?
Yes, that's my house, but it's not made of gingerbread or gumdrops like you've heard. That's not really good material for a house now, is it? Just ask the three little pigs down the lane. That's a little joke.
That's not funny.
Yeah, it is, a little.
So, I suppose your father and stepmother left you in the deep, dark forest with no food, and now you can't find your way home?
No. Our stepmom packed us a lunch and told us to go play outside.
And stop playing video games.
Oh, so what are you learning in math?
Integers. Why do we have to learn that? We'll never use it.
You're probably right. Hey, do you know anybody who would want a flying broomstick? Only $20.
I've got $10.
And I've got 7. Would you take $17 for it?
Let me think about that. No.
Could we owe you the $3?
Owe me? Owe me? You just learned when integers come in handy. When you have money, that's positive. When you owe money, that's negative. Here, let me show you. Your sister has $10 and you have $7. How much is that?
$17.
Now for a broom problem. You both have $17. You need to give me 20, so you owe me
That
3.
broomstick doesn't really fly, does it?
No, it doesn't. As I was saying, you both have $17, and you need to give me $20. So you owe me $3.
Hey, Hansel, I unpacked our lunch.
Where was I? Okay, what's positive 4 plus positive 3?
That's easy. 7. Give us a harder one.
What's negative 10 plus negative 7?
That's a tough one. No idea.
I don't know.
When you're adding and they have the same sign, you add them and put the sign they both are.
I know it's negative since you're adding and have the same sign. 10 plus 7 is 17, so negative 17.
Yes, she's a smart kid, isn't she? When adding integers, same sign add, put the sign they both are.
Same sign add.
Put the sign they both are.
Sing it, kid.
Same sign add.
Put the sign they both are.
Now with feeling.
Same sign add.
Put the sign they both are.
Woohoo! Let's add integers with different signs. We're going to use chips. The red chips, negative, and the green chips, positive. What's negative 7 plus 3? We have 7 red chips. Can you help me, dearie? Could you please put 3 green chips? Thanks. Now pair the red with the green.
Like this?
Yes, that way. It's easier to see which one had more.
4 red chips. So -4.
We call these zero pairs, since -1 plus +1 equals 0. Try 8 plus -2.
Okay. 8 green chips. And then 2 red chips. Now I pair them up to see what's left. There's 6 green chips left, so +6.
That's right.
Hansel, are you even listening?
You're talking about chips. When we gonna eat?
This one's easy. 3 red chips and 5 green chips. Pair them up. What's left is 2 green chips, so +2.
Different signs subtract. Which one had more? Different signs subtract. Which one had more? Different signs subtract. Which one had more? Are we done learning? I'm hungry.